Welcome to Star Quiz. Guess the YouTube channel, Meme by Emoji with the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Star Quiz channel. 1 point for each correct answer. Try to get the maximum score. Round 1. Which YouTuber do you think it is? That's right, it's Dude Perfect. Round 2. Guess the meme these emojis describe. Perfect. It's 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle.
Round 3. Guess which YouTube channel this is. That's right, it's Ninja Kids TV. Round 4. Do you know the answer? Correct, it's Skibidi Toilet. Round 5. Tell us the meme these emojis match. That's right, it's Dame tu cosita. Round 6. Pick the odd Dame tu cosita out. Well done. Round 7. Can you tell us which YouTuber this is? Well done, it's Salish Matter. Round 8. Pick the odd Skibidi Toilet out. Easy, right? Round 9. Which YouTuber do you think this is? Yep, it's Dream. Round 10. Can you tell us which meme this is? Yep, it's Wednesday. Round 11. Can you tell us which meme this is? Yep, it's the rock rapping meme.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
Round 12. Which YouTuber do you think these emojis match? Perfect, it's Mr. Beast.
Dude, I knew that would work. Green light.
Round 13. Guess the YouTuber by these emojis. You're right, it's PewDiePie.
Ew, what is that? He's going backwards. What a Chad.
Round 14. Which one is the real PewDiePie? Yep, it's C. Round 15. Guess which one of these three is the real Mr. Beast? Great job. Round 16. Do you know the real Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson in these three? That's right, it's B. Round 17. Guess the emoji. Nice, it's ninja.
Is that an egg?
Round 18. Do you know which YouTube channel this is? Yep, it's I Show Speed.
I should take it as a sign.
Round 19. Which YouTube channel is this one? You're right, it's Cocomelon. Round 20. Guess which meme this is? Correct, it's the coffin dance. Round 21. How about this one? Exactly, it's the Giga Chad meme. Round 22. What is Cocomelon mainly about? A. Music for kids. B. Playing games. C. Reacting to others. The answer is A. Round 23. Is it true that the coffin dance is a real-life funeral? A. True. B. False. The answer is A. Round 24. Which song do you think the Giga Chad meme uses? A. Fake Mr. Beast Funk. B. Miss You. C. Can You Feel My Heart? The correct answer is C. Round 25. Which meme do you think this is? Yep, it's the cat vibing to Levan Polka. Round 26. Guess this meme by emoji. I'm impressed. It's Skibidi Dom Dom, yes, yes.
Dop, 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 yes, 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 yes. Dip, stibbidi, dip, stibbidi, double, 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 yes, yes.
Round 27. Tell us which meme this is. That's the answer. It's the Bing Chilling meme.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度。
Round 28. Which meme is this? Yep, it's Baby Shark. Round 29. Guess the YouTuber. Correct, it's that girl Lele. Round 30. Pick the odd Baby Shark out. Round 31. Do you know this YouTuber? Yep, it's Farhan from the royal family. Round 32. Pick the odd that girl Lele. Round 33. Which meme do you think this is? Amazing, it's Megan.
Don't provoke, 'cause all we will go.
Round 34. What about this one? Yep, it's Jazzy Sky. Round 35. Do you know this YouTube channel? Wonderful. It's the royal family.
Stop it. No, don't talk about each other like that. Stop it, guys. Stop it.
Round 36. Which meme is this? It's the crab rave. Round 37. Which YouTuber is this? Yep, it's Logan Paul.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
Round 38. Would you rather drink Logan Paul's Prime Energy drink or dance just like the crab rave? Round 39. Would you rather spend a day watching Cocomelon's video or sing Baby Shark for an hour? Round 40. Which meme or YouTube channel do you like the most in the video? Our video comes to an end here. How many points have you got? Leave a comment to let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe Star Quiz channel. Goodbye and see you again.